Look where we are. The famous MASCA Valley. And the MASCA village is down there. Wow, what a gorgeous view. Tenerife, and it's in the south, so it's already 2:30. Yeah, it's 2:15, sorry, almost. And so it's 2:15 almost, so it's about 10 hours ride from here to the southern part of Tenerife. We'll hang around and find some place there. Let's do it! So the Google map has now showed me a different route. So I came up from the other side and going down from here to south 30 miles to MASCA Valley. But it is a beautiful landscape. Just under 10 more miles to the valley, MASCA Valley. But before we head down there, I need to pull over and have a stop somewhere. Make sure the bikers, the low oil warning light is still on. So we have done all the elevation. Now we are down, and that's why you can see the weather is nice. The sun's shining. It's really warm in here. Yep, I think we are pretty much out of the national park. I guess we have just exited the national park. I've just filled up the bike. I'm leaving it here for about like 5-10 minutes to let the oil settle down, and then have a look at the dipstick to see what the situation is like, and if it still shows me like the red low engine warning signs, so probably I'll go inside and buy some oil and top it up a bit. So yeah. It's a constant struggle every single day. Apparently the oil level is good. Yeah, and it's got plenty of oil. And yeah, now I cranked the bike again, and there is no oil, low oil level signs anymore, or warning lights anymore. So I'm still guessing that because I was on a riding up and down the mountains, and probably that's where it gives a false reading. Probably that's probably the reason. Anyway, I am about not very far, about 7.5 miles away from that MASCA Valley. So let's go there, and yeah, so we'll take it easy, have some lunch around, and then book a place for us for tonight. Okay. And it's so hot in here. As soon as you stop, you sweat like a hell. So I need to put this jacket somewhere. I can see the ocean down, so we are very close to the other side now, the southern part of Tenerife. 7.2 miles, 25 minutes, 26 minutes, so not a very long ride. On the highway now. Little town. Look at this. MASCA, 5 kilometers, 3 miles. streets. Oh wow, it's all the way up the mountain. You can also see Mount Teide from here. So the next bend is very sharp. It's very tight, very sharp, and it's steep. Just need to take it easy from here. Gigantic mountains and these winding roads to get to that village. 2.4 miles. Let's go. Now it's going down all the way. Beautiful place. Like out of this world. And coming up would be a the road is very tight, very the bends are very sharp, so you literally have to stop to turn around. Going all the way down in the valley. The road here is insane. Just to quickly show you, this is insane. Look at that, look at those, the road goes all the way, that's a village, MASCA village. Look at that. This place is insane. Oh god, these roads are pretty tight. Oh wow, the roads down there are crazy. This last 1.8 miles, 1.4 miles. Mount Teddy probably wasn't this tough, but this one looks very, very tough. This one is very tough. I mean, these corners are insane. These corners are insane. Okay, slow. Stop. You see that I'm struggling. Oh gosh, so tight. The corner was so tight. I had to simply walk still. Of course it pays off when you get here. 1 mile. But 1 mile through the twisties, remember that? So 1 mile through the twisties is good like 2.5 miles on a straight road. Look at that, look at that. I mean, that view is priceless. Oh wow, this ride. Luggage and everything. Okay, there is another one now. Okay, so luckily there is no car coming, so I can take my time, go to the other side. Look at that. Look all the way straight up. Look straight up. The sea and the V shape of the mountains. Oh god, so many twists still to go. It's half a mile and there are at least 10 more twists. Okay, that looks alright. This view. It's insane, isn't it not? MASCA, we are here. Look where we are. The famous MASCA Valley. And the MASCA village is down there. Wow, what a gorgeous view. So unreal. So unreal. And the road, that is so scary to get down. The barely a car or when there is a bus coming up, well, everybody has to stop. And the bends are so tight, so sharp, that you literally have to put your feet down and crawl. I don't know how I'm going to go up, but imagine, wow. The weather is so hot. It's so hot now up in the north. I mean, barely like 45 minutes to an hour's ride, and it's totally a different different weather. So hot, so sunny, and yeah. So we're gonna go further down all the way to see if there are any cafes or restaurants. Stay there for a little while and then try to see where are we going to stay. It's 4:30 already. I don't think so I'm gonna go to see any other place, so the only thing I would do is to find some place to stay for tonight. Right, let's get down. It's just half a more mile, I think, or maybe less. Let's go down. Arrived here in MASCA Valley. Look at those clouds up at the top of the mountain. Okay, let's have a little walk. Left the bike and everything on it. I can't really carry anything. Oh, what a nice and comfortable place. The huge tree. Look at this view from here. Wow. Look at that. What a place. Let's see if we can go down a little bit further. Look at the bike. Somewhere not in a proper place. You can't really go too far on the bike. They're very steep. Okay. Oh, a huge cactus plant. Okay, so we are nearly there. Let's go a little bit further down. It's gonna be hard to come up, but we'll do that. Everybody's out of breath when you come up.
Mamma, mettiti qua e tieniti qua.
Look at that. That's a very typical exotic fruit.
Hola.
Hello. So what you call them?
Honey, jam, fantastic.
Okay. Maybe we can buy something from him a little later, but let's first walk down a little bit more. Let's go a little bit further down to the very end of this. So, just to touch the very end of this trail. Oh, the smell of these trees and plants. It smells so nice. Like you are in a spa. Look at that rock. It looks like Avatar. How come somebody bring their car here all the way? Wow, that's so unreal. And of course now the sea it's just gone a bit hidden behind these huge mountains, but you can still have a little bit of peek of it. Beautiful place. Look at those clouds coming down the mountain. Okay, let's go back up. What a beautiful little restaurant here. So I thought I'll pop in and have a meal before and then maybe take my time. I'm a little bit concerned about where I left the bike, but with everything on, it should be alright. Look at the view through the windows. Those huge mountains. Beautiful. Let's order something. Let's quickly order something. So that comes with fish and fried. Okay. Okay, I don't mind. Very good. Thank you. Okay, so just had lunch in that very nice looking little restaurant in MASCA Valley. Now we need to get back to the bike because it's been there for quite good time.
That was such a hard walk. Finally, on the top of the mountain, going down now. Whew, that was really tough ride. I don't think I've done any ride like this. Ooh, that was very hard. Luckily, there was not much traffic on the other side coming down up. So if it would have been a busy road, it would have been a disaster.